Hello, and welcome to week 12 of geometry. We are almost to Thanksgiving break, and I'm sure you are just as excited about that as I am. I hope that you have something fun planned with your family or your friends, and that you use that time to just relax and, get rejuvenated for the rest of the year. If you're behind, I hope you use that time to get caught up because no assignments are going to be assigned, so it's a great time to get caught up. On Monday, today, you are going to do just catch up stuff. So it's a your choice day, meaning if you're all caught up, then you don't have anything to do. You can work on other subjects or you can have the day off from geometry. If you are behind, then you need to use this day to get caught up. Do as much as you can in order to get caught up back with us. On Tuesday, you are going to do the first lesson in inscribed angles and arcs. It's lesson 406, and then you have a quiz that you're going to take with that. On Wednesday, you are going to do the second part of inscribed angles and arcs, and then you're going to take the mid-unit test, which is 407. Now, remember, the mid-unit test is going to cover everything from 407 up to 401, so it's not just going to be over inscribed angles and arcs. So make sure that you understand all the lessons from 401 to 407 before you take that quiz. We do have CC at 9 a.m. and as always, it's not mandatory if you have an 89.5 or greater when I check grades Monday morning. On Thursday, we are going to move on to secants and tangents, lesson 1. It's 408, and then you have a quiz. I do have tutoring that day, as always, from 4 to 5 p.m. It's just an open time for you to come and ask questions. There's no specific lesson. We do have Target Teach that day at 3, and if you are failing, then you're required to come. You'll get an email, but if you're not failing, then you are still welcome to come if you want. We do actually have a lesson that day. On Friday, we're going to do the second part of secants and tangents, and it is lesson 409, and then you're going to take the 409 quiz. As always, make sure that you are submitting all of your assignments by 5 on the day they're due. Zeros are going to be entered in the next day. Just a few things. Make sure you're turning in both parts of your Unit 3 test. I've had quite a few of people not turn them in, and grades have really suffered because of that. I've had quite a few people who were passing and now are not anymore because they didn't turn it in or, went from an A to a C or, just saw a big dip in your grade. So make sure that you get that taken care of. If you have questions at all, please email me, send me an IM, give me a phone call, and I will be more than happy to help you with it. And as always, I know I've talked about this last couple weeks, just make sure you're signing up for outings. There's lots of fun stuff out there, so just check on the K-12 website or check from your K-mail. You should have gotten emails from Sarah Robinson. She sends out the links that have all of the outing stuff on them. It's just a great way to get to know other students in your area. So I hope you have a great week, and again, let me know if you need anything.